Art has been an integral part of human culture and society for centuries. It serves as a means of self expression, communication, and cultural representation. However, with the emergence of AI, we are now witnessing a new form of artistic expression, the infamous AI generated art. It might seem something that came out all of the sudden, but it has been clawing its way up gradually. Take the example of AI generated portrait of Edward D. Bellamy in 2018, which was sold at an auction for over $400,000, or the morphing portraits sold by Sotheby for £40,000. The artist Mario Klingemann has explained how his AI model generated images based on the specific topics that he was trying to conquer. Basically, his portrait model wouldn't be able to create landscapes. Today's AI generated art can do anything you can imagine. Even though there are many resources to obtain very powerful results like Midjourney, Deep Dream, GPT-3, but it all ran because of the 2021 DALL-E by OpenAI that walked head-on. The AI models use neural networks that analyze and understand the elements of images such as colors, textures, shape, and generate new images by combining it all in unique ways. AI-generated art allows for greater creativity, efficiency, and accessibility in the art creation. It can generate unique and innovative styles that may not be possible through the traditional methods. It also allows artists of all skill levels to create high-quality artwork. As for every new discovery, the consequences can never be anticipated. One of the main ethical concerns around the AI-generated art is the lack of creativity and originality. Critics argue that using the AI technology to create the art is a form of plagiarism. Even if it doesn't copy the image, it copies the art style, like what happened to the American artist James Gurney, and his art style becoming a template for thousands of artworks. Additionally, AI-generated art can have a significant impact on the art industry. AI systems can create artworks in a matter of seconds, which means that artists can produce a large amount of art pieces in a shorter amount of time. This can lead to a flood of AI-generated artworks in the market, which could have an adverse effect on the value of the ones created by the traditional means. Moreover, the AI-generated art can perpetuate the existing biases and the stereotypes in the society. The machine learning models used to create the AI-generated art are trained on the existing artworks which may reflect the society, showing us the infinitely complex mirror and reflecting the dark corners of the biases. In conclusion, the AI-generated art is a new form of artistic expression that raises important ethical questions about creativity, ownership, and impact on the art industry and society as a whole. While the AI-generated art can be seen as a form of collaboration between humans and machines, will it be successful to become a part of our culture? That is something to ponder on. Comment down your thoughts below, and for more such content, subscribe to our channel.